What's up, guys? It's Sunday Backyard Farmer. So I'm getting ready for this, I guess, winter weather that we're having, that everybody's about to experience. I think it's supposed to hit us tomorrow. So I want to get my garden covered up. Now, I did this before I started doing YouTube videos. I covered my garden. I'm getting ready to do that again. So the person, a lot of people do this, but the person that come to mind with this kind of, I guess, technique is Grow Family Network. I seen Grow Family Network kind of do something similar to this. It may have been a year ago or something like that. So let me show you this. I have some metal. My dad was a welder, so I always have metal around. I have access to metal. So I have metal. They coming with their dad to get some dirt. Say get some dirt.
Get some dirt.
Nigga here say get some dirt.
Get some dirt.
Some dirt. Right here, some old metal. So I'm gonna cut this probably in a foot or a foot and a half section. I have two of them, as you can see, and hammer these in the ground and slide the PVC pipe over this to create my dome. So, and then cover it in plastic. So that's my goal, trying to get that done. I'm at the shop right now. The crazy thing is I have a you know, we call it a chop saw or whatever for metal. I let my neighbor borrow it and I just realized I didn't have it. So I was gonna cut this metal up at the shop, and because I don't have a metal saw at the house, I have a wood saw at the house. So I was gonna cut this up at the shop, but now I gotta figure something else out. Figure out a different way to cut it up, and I don't know how I'm gonna do it. So when I figure that out, I'll be right back. All right, guys, it's late and I made it home. It's dark outside right now, so I got a couple of flashlights. I still want to bring you guys along with my process. So I'm trying to cover these vegetables in the 4x50 and see whatever other material we have left to see what all we can actually cover before the storm actually hits. So I got this plastic for the hoops, and this is the same metal that I showed you guys from the shop. Like I said, I let somebody borrow my saw and I don't have access to it, so we're gonna use a Sawzall to cut everything tonight. So it may get a little noisy, but I'm gonna kind of do one and then take it outside and make sure that that's gonna work, and then I'll do the rest off of that as utilizing the first one as a jig. So once again, guys, this is the plastic that we bought that we're gonna use. So I got my tape measure out, measuring everything up, and we'll get to cutting. So now that we got these cut up, I'm gonna go out back. Most of this material was scrap material as far as with the metal and everything. I still got a couple things, but I'm just trying to do this as quick as I can. So we're gonna go back in the back, stage up one situation, make sure that worked right, and then get the rest of them in. I got some flashlights. You know, I'm a flashlight guy. We're gonna see what we can do about the lighting. Hopefully it's enough, but you know, with this old iPhone, who knows? We'll see. So these are the different lights that I'll be using. Y'all seen these before. I got one more on the charger. It does pretty good. And I'm gonna actually be using the jump box that I use for my four-wheeler. Has a pretty decent light on it, so try to see what we can do as far as it being nighttime and what y'all will be able to see. All right, guys, this is with one flashlight, so we may be okay. May get another one to lighten up further down, but this doesn't look too bad. All right, guys, hopefully you can see me. So I mismeasured the size of the pipe. It's not gonna work at all. So We'll move on to the other section and see what I can do with that area. So this is it for this area right here. Just something real quick. Now usually we'll put screws and washers to keep the plastic on there, but I think this will do for right now. And I got another area I need to get to. So this is what we're looking like in this area. Temporary, kind of last minute. Not really being prepared, but you gotta make something happen. Flashlight game. See, hopefully this helped most of the crop, but I couldn't cover all of it. But you know, no sacrifice, no victory. Transformers, stay woke. But yeah, you see, so instead of me giving up on this situation, I just improvised on what I had to still get something done instead of giving up. So yeah, we don't have everything covered, almost there, but hey, I got, shoot, 85% of it covered over here. All of this covered over here. Let me grab this other light. See if it'll reach all the way over there to light the other area up. Not really, but we got that. You can barely see it. All right, I grabbed the other flashlight, so now y'all can see that the other area is covered as well. All of this. I'm gonna call that a win, guys. Forgot about the wife's area. She got a lot of Brussels sprouts. She may be okay. It's gonna be an experiment, we'll see. So this from the other angle. I gotta get the flashlights from out there. And it's starting to rain now, or whatever it's doing. That's the first area we did over there. Second and third area, and the 4x50 over there. All right, guys, that's it for me. So we was able to cover the things up. Even though we had a roadblock, we kept going. So that's done. We'll just see if it was worth it tomorrow. We'll see if any snow activities or whatnot happen. You know, if not, you know, it was a good training exercise to be ready next time, so, and to be more prepared. So now I know what I need to do kind of with the size pipe I need, so I won't make that mistake again. So it was a learning process, but most importantly, we got everything done. So you already know what I want you guys to do. Get us some snow. Just playing. Some dirt. Later, guys.